What's up, YouTube? It's your boy True, and welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween Horrors, day 9. And the word Chat GPT gave me today is voice. I tried looking up like horror shorts on YouTube. It's barely any that involves voice, I guess. But I just asked Chat GPT to give me a video revolving around a word that's a horror short, and it gave me Alter. The video from them titled "In Sound We Live Forever." I'm excited to see what it's given. So yeah, without further ado, before we jump on into it, make sure you hit that like button down below, hit the subscribe button so that we stay in tune to all future videos that I do drop on this channel. So now that that's out the way, let's jump on into Alter's horror short and see what it's given. Let's go. In sound we live forever. Let's go. Turn it down a little bit. This looks good. This looks like movie quality. I wonder if Alter has their own like subscription app or subscription services. Excuse me.
Here we are. This is the spot where I come when I need to clear my head.
Okay.
Get away from it all.
I mean, it looks beautiful.
Surprised we made it up here in this whole thing.
Oh, my pops keeps it in top condition. God, I love this song.
You're weird.
I'm weird because I like Bach?
Maybe a little.
Let me tell you something. In 200 years, no one will remember who the Stones or Zeppelin were, but they will still know Air on a G string by heart. You can count on it.
Okay. That looks like a ghost face mask.
My lady.
Where are they at? Is beer still there? So something happened. Cause the fresh beer is still there.
Cheers.
And they only had one each.
See that over there?
Yeah?
Bet you I can hit it in 4 tries.
You're on. Oh.
Okay. Almost.
Wait.
And the crowd goes wild. He's done it again.
Let me.
Look at that cloud.
This is crazy.
It's beautiful.
Just like you.
You don't mean that.
I do. You're the prettiest, grooviest girl in town.
Did he kill her?
Really?
I don't think so. Like it's looking like that, but I don't want to say that because maybe he would have left.
Wait.
What?
My retainer.
I know that's right. I know that's right. She about to get busy.
Okay.
I love how the camera shakes with like the effects of like what was happening. Like when they hit the barrel. Oh, taking off the the belt. This is crazy.
Wait,
What now?
there's someone there.
Where?
Oh,
I see.
What?
then it's time to
What
go.
is he wearing?
Let's go. Damn it. What is it?
Left the headlights on.
Oh, my retainer.
Grab it.
What was y'all getting? Y'all was getting busy in the back.
Charlie. Charlie! Charlie!
Hey! Let her go!
Ooh, fuck.
Run, Meredith!
He's got a knife!
Run!
Oh! He took them both out. How? Took them both out.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Ooh. Is they about to show him? Are they about to show him? Ooh, that was a nice shot. Y'all better not have him pop up randomly for like a jump scare, cause I'm be pissed. Oh, who is that? Is that him? Or is that Meredith? That's Meredith. But the car doesn't start. Meredith, girl, the car don't start.
Charlie. Charlie.
You're not serious. You're not serious. Girl, just leave. Like, run somewhere. Wherever. Run it back to the car. You're not gonna close the door. Why would you get on that? Okay. Okay. Now roll up the window. Oh, you can't. Wait, she might could roll up the window. I think I saw window cranes. Well, there's that. Girl, you almost had it. Damn, she put that neutral. Get in. Get in. There we go, Meredith. There we go, Meredith. I would have kept hitting, trying to do the key. It's dark. It got dark so quick. You better not be in the back. Girl. If he in the back of this video, I mean in the back of this van, in this truck, I'm gonna be tight. but it will make sense. Did you see somebody? Is that him? Meredith is getting me tight because, girl, roll up these windows.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners.
I'd have rolled up the windows, locked the doors, and somehow, some way, I would have got that truck working.
Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sins now, at the hour of our death. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mother of God, pray for us sins now, at the hour of our death. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed
See? Wouldn't have happened if the door was locked and the windows was up. Damn, girl. Damn, and it's dark out there. Well. Oh, this one was really, really good. I'm not disappointed at all. I'm definitely giving this 5 Ghostface masks out of 5, simply because like the suspense was good, the cinematography was good, the quality was good, the acting was great, and they literally did so good, like with building the tension. Like I thought I was gonna get a jump scare when the camera went through the in that shot, when the camera went through the car window. That was nice. And then how it panned off into seeing what she was doing with Charlie in the mirror. That was good. This is a good solid film. I enjoyed it. And like I'm saying, every horror film or horror short doesn't need a jump scare to be terrifying. As you can see, some jump scares aren't warranted the best horror films. This one was good. I'm thoroughly happy with this. Let me know how you feel about the film down below in the comment section. And question of the day. Do you have a secret spot that you like to go to for peace and quiet? Me, do I have a secret spot? I don't think I have a secret spot. I do have a secret restaurant that I love to go to. I'm not gonna give any deets because the restaurant is so amazing. They probably have the best curry I ever had. But yeah, that was it for day 9. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for day 10 of 31 Days of Halloween Horror. Bye.